Welcome to the channel! Nah, just kidding. Welcome to the channel. My name is Fabio. You clicked on the on this video because you want to know how to get your sound deadening out of your race car or car for any reason, and you don't want to use dry ice. So right here, I got the means to do it without dry ice. It's called a freezer by Motip, and it's a little spray can that you can use to get under the 50 degrees Celsius to eventually hammer down your sound deadening. So what you're gonna need for this particular job, you need a spray can of these. I would suggest a little bit more than one. I think 3. I'm gonna check how much I'm gonna waste, and a good sledgehammer. So the car that we are gonna do this, it's my little EF that's a little bit track prepped, and we got some sound deadening. Already did a piece just to check if I could do this with freezer, and make sure you guys get a good product and overview of how to do this. So first off, when you're doing this, be cautious, wear some gloves, a bit thicker gloves than these ones. Normally it doesn't do any harm, but for protection reasons, you never know. So you spray it like this, so it gets all frozen and stuff. A few parts will be more difficult to do this because of the round pieces. I'm doing a little bit exaggerated just to get the parts off. You can already hear it cracking. Then you let it sit for a bit, and then you hammer it down, it'll get off. We'll show you that.
Hey Tyreek, you going crazy.
And that's basically it. It's very simple, straightforward. You just spray it a little bit, wait a few, like 10 seconds, 5 seconds, and then you go on and hammer it down like you're mad at somebody. But yeah, what's smart to do? Just have a flat screwdriver for the tight spots, because you got some tight spots. Just get at the difficult spaces and difficult parts of the chassis. For the EF, you got all the strange bends and stuff, and little potholes, and like that one. I didn't know that you had that one, but unfortunately it's there. It's like a hole. Gotta weld that up one day, someday, with a new garage. I hope we'll be there very shortly, but eventually. This is my just the introduction. This is my race car, and I'm prepping it for this year's track days, but unfortunately the coronavirus is not making it easy. So I'm upgrading the brakes, doing all that jazz. I got a playlist on the playlist on this channel that goes a little bit in depth of this build. We got another build way in the back. That's my brother's little car. It's his daily and this is the EG, working on that too. Don't know how we don't know the plans exactly what we're gonna do with it. Eventually there are plans, but we're gonna eventually do some more stuff with it in the later future. And we got a EK around here, EG J9, with a whole lot of upgrades. I will put a link of the playlist in the upper right corner if you're interested of what we did with this one. Has been we have done a lot of things with it. I will eventually link this in the bio for you guys to look it up, maybe grab some. And I think you need a little bit more than one can. I forgot mine at home because I bought some, but I forgot it at home. For the sake of this video, I just used half a can. With half a can, I did this part around here. That's all the residue of what still what I got off, and still need to do that part and this part right here. I believe with 3 cans you can do this. And yeah, so consider subscribing, because we're gonna do a lot more of these kind of stuff and little installs, just to get you guys some more content, some nice content. I'm trying my best to do that. I hope you guys will subscribe. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. That will be nice, because eventually I can get it monetized. And eventually do a lot of more fun stuff with this project. Oh, with my project. This is my project, and with other projects with other guys. So that will be very nice. Yeah, leave a comment if you have questions. Leave a like. I hope to see you guys in the channel again, commenting, saying stuff. And stay safe with the coronavirus. It's a little bit difficult to get outside and do stuff. I'm trying. We're trying to get a little bit more of content out. And stay safe, guys. And wash your hands. Bye.